This video guide will help you to remove the new adware that is called Screen Recorder. By the way, Screen Recorder is a special browser extension for Google Chrome. It is presented as a tool capable of recording the screen. However, we found out that this extension called Screen Recorder operates as adware. Now, if this extension was mistakenly added to your Google Chrome browser, you should undertake the measures and remove it immediately. This is the way you can do it. Access the menu, go to More Tools. Once again, Menu, More Tools, and then choose Extensions. Sometimes it's not possible to access this menu where extensions are available. This means that your computer is deeply contaminated with adware or malware. I recommend that you investigate the system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. The best place to get it is on the website combocleaner.com. Download the program, install the software, and then start researching and investigating your system. Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and delete all other threats which could possibly remain on your computer. So use Combo Cleaner Antivirus for this purpose. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.